YouTube. I was trying to figure out how to do this video, so this is the way I'm going to do it. Hopefully it comes out uh, awesome. I don't know, it's going to be different. But anyways, I just wanted to talk about a couple events that are going on. Fukushima, like a lot of people know, is going on. Nuclear waste is being dumped into the Pacific Ocean every day, and LA Times just came out with a story where they're actually denying the fact that any radiation is making its way to the West Coast, and that it's laughable to say that Fukushima is going to affect us over here in the United States and the rest of the world. So not only are they not covering the story, but they're lying and they're trying to cover it up. So this is what we're dealing with, people. This kind of stuff, these kind of lies when it comes to our health. Another story they got going on, West Virginia, a bunch of chemicals was dumped into the water supply in and around Charleston, West Virginia. And basically, people can use the water for nothing less than or nothing more than flushing the toilet. It's totally toxic. They're trying to clean it up, but I mean, this is the kind of stuff that the negligent, just idiotic stuff that is going on around the U.S. The government does not care. They try to act like they have all these regulations to make sure this kind of stuff doesn't happen, and it's actually the opposite. So it seems like they might even be destroying the environment on purpose. So this is what is going on around the U.S., and the media is barely talking about it. And last but not least, I can't totally confirm the story. I'll put the link in there, and you guys could check it out, see what you think. But I guess has been some accidents with nuclear waste in South Carolina and their storage facility there in South Carolina, and that it might be in the groundwater also. Radioactive tritium. So I'll put these links up. You guys read these stories and get it out to everybody. We can't continue to sit here in the dark and ignore these facts. They're destroying this planet. Period. Call me a hippie, but it's the facts.